When is the appropriate time to move a toddler from a cot to a bed? Cot-to-bed safety, brought to you by SIDS and Kids. When a young child is observed attempting to climb out of a cot and looking like they might succeed, it is time to move them out of the cot. Ensure the sleeping environment is safe. Babies and young children are at high risk of injury from falls or becoming trapped between the bed and the wall. Always position the bed away from the wall. Think carefully about choosing to use an adult height bed. Consider instead using a toddler bed, as they are lower to the ground and reduce the risk of injury from a fall. Alternatively, use a clean, firm mattress on the floor. Ensure the surrounding area is clean and clear of soft toys, bean bags, plastic bags or similar objects. If you choose to use an adult-sized bed, make sure the spaces between the bars or panels are no bigger than 95mm. Surround the bed with a mattress or soft floor material and keep free of hard objects like toys. If bed rails are being used, beware of gaps. A young child can become trapped. Pillows and toys must not be placed against rails, as toddlers can suffocate in these situations. For more information, visit sidsandkids.org.